Hi, my name is Prateek Sadhu, Executive Chef, co-owner of Masque. To be receiving Amelia Want to Watch 2020 is such a huge honor. And I can't thank enough. I should start with my first mentor in my life, which is my mother, and my entire team, who's been there since day one.
Hi, I'm Aditi Dugar, director and co-owner of Masque. 2 years before we opened the restaurant, we traveled all over India. What we really wanted to do was say the story of the farmer and put Indian ingredients on the map.
For us, ingredients are the star. And I think there are 3 pillars that our menus and our dishes stand for. It's tradition, innovation, and sustainability.
Masque doesn't have an a la carte menu, and I think that's what makes it very special.
It can be a berry from northernmost part of India. It can be a technique that we draw inspiration from any region of India. And that's how we're changing perception of Indian food step by step. For us at Masque, modern Indian food is not about taking old traditional recipes and plating them with different tweaks. It needs to have a purpose. It needs to have a cross-cultural binding where we can really redefine a dish but with a different essence without it being really disturbed. It needs to be really rooted.
For us, running an all-tasting menu was extremely special because it gave us the opportunity to celebrate Indian ingredients, its seasonality, and also the diversity of its landscape.
For the future, we really want to dive deep into the ingredient research, dive deep into the possibilities of creating different flavors. And ultimately, how do we connect these dots from different food cultures? And it's a question that we need to answer.
There's generations worth of wisdom yet to be discovered, to be reflected on the world stage. And for us, the gamut of that knowledge is really what's exciting at Masque, and we can't wait to see what unfolds for us.